σκάνει φράγκο Συριάννη γλυκιά. Λες και μάγια μου κι σκάνει φράγκο Συριάννη γλυκιά.
So, all European countries embrace
So we're in the village of Fiskardo in Cephalonia, the island of Cephalonia, and it's almost like a mini Portofino.
But much more peaceful. Also the home of Steven Spielberg, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah, right behind us.
But I
Over
think
there in the back, that white building is Steven Spielberg. Also, Tom Hanks also has a home here.
I think if I had their money and their fame, I'd probably look for a quiet little village like this too. Wonderful. I took a picture of a little black and white kitty cat. So how many stairs is that?
I have no idea, but it's a lot.
You can do it.
I got a video of 5 minutes.
The color comes from the stone, that's limestone, and it's powdery. Therefore, with the movement of the waves, the stones touch each other and the powder spreads throughout the bay, and it travels in different designs. So you can see a design, let's say, of a meander, a design of a river, and every hour or so it changes according to the tide. Here also I would like to add that the tide is very strong and it's very dangerous to swim if it's the wrong time of the day or the wrong time of the season. There are warnings to inform the swimmers not to go far away from the shore, but often this happens and sometimes you have accidents. Overall, it's considered one of the most beautiful cliffs, sides, coves of Greece, and this was used as a poster for advertisement of Greek tourism. Thank you. Yes. We'll never give up the church and the home. We'll never give up. Yes, we'll make one. That's another good place.
On the ride back to Argostoli was incredible, a spectacular ride, a little hair-raising as the roads were laced all over the island, but we ventured out to, as you saw, Batui Beach, to discover that crystal clear water, the shifting of the hues of the various times of the days, and the blues and the greens were unbelievable. A poster that's will stay in our minds forever. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Look for us in the next video.